morning, students. All of you open the page number 149. Have you all done the homework?
On page 149.
Yes. Yesterday we have discussed two unseen passage. Yesterday we have discussed two unseen passage. The first one was jumping spiders and the next one was high-tech bird song. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Kritika has done the homework. What about other students? Have you all done it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Now students, I have given the homework La Tomatina. Now, then Red Panda was also your homework. Have you all done it? Hitanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
we shall discuss this one. All of you take pencil in your hand. All of you take pencil in your hand. And I hope everybody has read the passage. Clear?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now students, I am going to read the first question. The first one is complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. Students, be on time. All the students must be on time. Now, Hitanshi Pal, unmute yourself. Hitanshi Pal, 6B, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hitanshi, have you done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done the homework? That's very good. Now, tell me the first answer. I am going to read the question first. Then you will tell me the answer. Okay? Be ready. Red pandas belong to dash family. Hitanshi, your answer.
Red panda belongs to bear family.
Correct. Red panda belong to bear family. I will give you chance, students. I will give all the students chance. Students of 6E are here. Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What about this student, Shaurya of 6E? Kritika? He is not attending the classes? Kritika?
Yes, ma'am.
He is not attending the classes? Okay. So all of you write down the first answer. It's bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Written? Have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
now the second one. Red pandas are famous for. Now who will answer? Rishika of 6C. Rishika, unmute yourself. Students, till now only 58 participants. Why? It is very important for your examination point of view. It is very much important.
Red pandas are famous for their agility.
Rishika, Yes, Rishika, tell me your answer. Red pandas are famous for.
Ma'am, their agility.
Yes, Rishika, your answer.
Ma'am, for their agility.
Anybody else? Yes, Anmol of
Yes,
6C.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait a minute, students. All of you will get the chance. Anmol, unmute yourself. Anmol. Write down all of you. Shreya Singh. You are very late, Shreya. Be on time. Yes, Ayatul. Have you done the homework? Ayatul, Alvina, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alvina, what is your answer? Read your answer.
Ma'am, red pandas are.
Red pandas are famous for.
Ma'am, red pandas are famous for their. तकिया दो जी वहाँ पे रख रखो ना क्या चीज Can I say? मैं
Yes,
तकिया
say.
दो टेबल ना कौन टेबल red pandas are famous for their dense woolly cat reddish brown fur which has lighter colored bands on the tail.
No. Just write down. See, it is in the second paragraph. The most striking feature of the red panda is their agility. While in the jungles, these small creatures with their strength, agility and cunningness. So all of you write down. Red pandas are famous for their strength. See, the answer is in the second paragraph. All of you underline it. Strength. strength, strength, agility and cunningness. Have you all done?
Ma'am, what's the meaning of cunningness?
Means they are very
Yes, ma'am. तक तो फाइट जते
cunning,
पर
they are
रखला
very
होता
shrewd in nature. Have you all written? Have you all written? Now the next question, students, it's a table. Complete the table. Now, body part of red panda and the appearance. Body part of red panda and the appearance. One by one, I will point out the students. You have to tell me the answer. Now, the first one, woolly coat.
Reddish brown.
Soumya.
Reddish brown.
Soumya,
Can I?
unmute yourself.
Yes. Ma'am, can I say? Yes, ma'am.
Soumya.
Yes.
Soumya, tell me your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the work or not? Okay, you have not done. Then you should say early. Then Anvesha Singh of 6D. Anvesha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, what is the answer? Have you done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the answer, Anvesha?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
I am asking the question number 2. Complete the table. Body part of red panda. Body part of red panda. It is woolly coat.
Reddish brown fur.
Yes, correct. All of you write down reddish brown fur. Body part of red panda and it appears like reddish brown fur.
Reddish brown.
Reddish brown. Abhishek, correct the spelling of reddish. It is R-E-D-D-I-S-H, reddish. Now, next one, tail. What is the appearance of the tail? Divyanshu? Divyanshu Ranjan of 6E. What will be the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Lighter colored bands.
Lighter color bands.
Bands.
Write down all of you. The answer is in the third paragraph. All of you write down, underline the answer. Yes, Natik, you are correct. Lighter colored bands. All of you write down, correct the spelling of colored. It is C-O-L-O-U-R-E-D, colored. Now, the third one, face.
Can I see?
Hare Krishna.
Can I see?
Yes, you are correct. It
White
is white in color.
brown. And white reddish brown strip. Ma'am, white with a reddish brown strip on
White,
it.
correct.
Brown strip.
White with a reddish brown strip. Yes, Anshika, you are correct. Your answer is correct. Students, you can type your answers in the chat box. Reddish brown strip. Reddish brown strip. Correct. Now, next one. Complete the following. The first one. Red pandas eat. A. What they eat?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I see? Fruits.
So the first one is fruits. All of you write down.
Bamboo and jackfruit.
Anmol.
Fruits. One is fruit. Ma'am, second one is
Anmol, mute yourself. Ayatul.
Honey, egg. Honey, egg.
Ayatul of 6C. What happened? You are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
writing? Concentrate in class. The first answer is fruits. Then, next one is roots. The answer is in the fifth paragraph, the last paragraph. All of you underline the answer. Anmol, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now, pandas are omnivorous and live on a variety of succulent fruits. So the answer is fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Then it is roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Then tender bamboo leaves. See, all of you underline the answer in the fifth paragraph. Aditya Raj, are you doing the classwork? Aditya Raj. Rajshri Srivastav. Aryan Raj, why you are so late? You are very late. Now,
Box.
the last one is insects. The last one is insects. Have you done? Now, the last question. They protect their young ones by keeping them safely in. Rajshri, unmute yourself. Wait a minute. I am telling you, Rajshri. No, they
And the
cannot
hollows
like
of
this.
hardwood trees. Hollows of
No,
and
no.
the hollows of hardwood trees. Hollows of hardwood trees.
Again, I am
And
telling.
the hollows
Rajshri will
of
speak the answer. Rajshri, unmute
And in the
yourself.
hollows
Rajshri, be louder.
and the hollows of wood trees.
The hollows of hardwood trees. Rajshri, unmute yourself. Yes, mute yourself. Anamika Kumari of 6E, you are correct. All of you write down the hollows of hardwood trees. The hollows of hardwood trees. In the hollows of hardwood trees. Written all of you? Now, the next topic is Herald of Spring. It is the last passage in chapter number 11. With this we will be completing our chapter 11. Reading for understanding. Clear? Now, all of you see the passage. I am going to read it for everyone. Clear? Nitya, you entered late in the classroom. So afterwards you will be doing the answers. Nitya? Nitya of 6D.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
you entered late in the classroom. Afterwards you will be doing the classwork. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
all of you pay attention. All of you pay attention. Come spring, and the singing of the koel comes as a breath of freshness. Underline the word koel. It's the name of a bird. From early morning to late evening, the air is filled with its melodious calls, a series of coos. Now, next paragraph. The koel is found throughout the Indian subcontinent. Ritika, you are very late. Now, the koel is found throughout the Indian subcontinent. It is a bird about the size of a crow, but with a longer tail and a more slender body. The male bird is black in color with a yellowish green bill and red eyes. The female bird is spotted with white dots. All of you underline these specifications. All of you underline it. Students, underline the description about the bird. Have you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, the next paragraph, students. The koel is entirely arboreal. Underline the term arboreal. Ayatul, concentrate in the class. Why are you talking? I am able to see all of you. The coil is entirely arboreal. Underline the word arboreal, meaning never coming down to ground. Now, it largely survives on twigs of banyan, gular, peepal and other berries. It also eats insects and caterpillars, besides occasionally the eggs of other birds. Understood? Turn the page, all of you. Last page, page number 152. All of you take out page number 152. Now, the coil never builds a nest of its own. It is a parasitic on the nest of other birds, especially the crow. To outwit the crow, both the male and the female coil work together. The male starts singing near a crow's nest while the female stays hidden. The crow chases the male coil away, and meanwhile the female coil flies to the crow's unguarded nest and lays her eggs in it. Understood? See, this is a paragraph and the description is about a bird, coil. I hope you all have seen coil? Have you all seen coil?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It sings
Yes, ma'am.
very beautifully and the voice of the coil is so melodious. It's so tuneful and soothing. Have you heard, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, now here are some questions and we have to complete it. Now see, complete the following statements. The coil generally sings in dash season. So, okay, Kritika has seen in her village. When is the coil, Kritika?
Coil generally sings in the spring. Ma'am, I will also sing in my village.
Anshika, what is the answer? The first one. The coil generally sings in the dash season. The answer is
Spring season.
spring season. All of you write down the answer. Spring season. Have you all written? Have you all written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. 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 Ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
मैम थोड़ा देर के लिए मैम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था मैम तो अभी कहाँ पर आ रही है
Who is asking?
मैम सचिन
Sachin, I am teaching on page number 152. I am teaching the last unseen passage, Herald Spring. Sachin, take out page number 152.
ओके मैम
Now, students, the next question. The coil is different from the crow in two ways. It has
मैम फर्स्ट वे मैम द मैम फर्स्ट वे इज and is making the nest never builds the nest of its own.
just a minute.
First question. Ma'am, can I ask first point?
Yes, Anmol, tell me the first answer.
Ma'am, the coil never builds a nest of its own.
Just a minute. Yes, the coil never builds a nest of its own. Next one.
Ma'am, the coil never builds a nest of its own. Very sweet. Ma'am, a longer tail and a more slender body. A longer tail slender body.
Write down, correct.
Sweet sound. Ma'am, sweet
It is
sound
having,
and
write down,
Koel
is having a longer tail and a
and
more slender body. The first point, underline the answer. It is in the second paragraph, students. It is in the second paragraph. Have you all got it? Yes, I think you are correct. 6C.
Yes, ma'am.
A longer tail and a more slender body. Then the second answer, write down. The koel never builds a nest of its own. Written?
Ma'am, what is the first answer?
The first one. The first one is, see, underline in the second paragraph, students.
Ma'am, please.
It is having a longer tail and a more slender body. And a more slender body.
Thank you, ma'am. Slender.
Now, second one. Students,
Ma'am,
could you hear some background noise? Kindly mute yourself. Students, kindly mute yourself. Sachin, mute yourself.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question number 1 again?
Now, it's the next question. Complete the table. Appearance of the male koel. It is very easy, students.
Ma'am, can I say first one?
Just a minute. Aditi Kumari of 6D. Wait a minute. Aditi Kumari,
Yes,
6D. What will be the first answer, Aditi? Color of the male koel. What is the appearance? Aditi. See, it is in the second paragraph. Aditi,
Ma'am, can I say
wait. Let her speak, beta. Let her speak. Aditi, see, the answer is given in the second paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
read beta. The male bird is?
Ma'am, the male bird is black in color.
Yes. So what will be the answer? Black. All of you write down. Black. Have you all written? Have you all written? Aditi, mute yourself. Aditi, mute yourself. Now, Kumari Nitya. Nitya, unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the color of the bill of male koel? Bill, B-I-L-L. What is the color,
The
Nitya?
color of
See, the answer is
The
given in the
yellowish
second
green.
paragraph.
yellowish green.
Very good. Yellowish green. All of you write down. Yellowish green. Yes, Kritika, you are correct. Abhishek Raj of 6C, you are also correct. Yellowish green. Naitik, you are also correct. Now, the last one. Eyes. Eyes of the male koel.
Red. I mean red. Ma'am, can I
It is red in color. All of you write down.
Red.
Red.
Red color.
All of you write down. Red.
Ma'am,
Students, we have only 5 minutes left. Listen, tomorrow, all of you listen, students. Tomorrow I will be starting a new topic in the writing skills. That is story writing. What is the topic? Story writing. Hare Krishna. Why are you wearing specs? Understood all of you? What is the topic for tomorrow? What is the topic, students? Writing. All of you will take out your writing skills notebook tomorrow. We will see first of all the format of story writing, that how to write a story. Clear? Then we have report writing, then article writing, and one more topic is there. Students, what is there in writing skills? Okay, we will discuss it tomorrow. Now, students, one more paragraph was there, La Tomatina. Take out page number 149. All of you take out page number 149. Have you all done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Satyak Srivastav, unmute yourself. Satyak Srivastav. Unmute yourself. Satyak.
When I can answer?
I can see Satyak on the screen.
When I can say?
Yes, Hare Krishna. What is the first? Yes, let me read first. Complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. Just a minute, Hare Krishna. Alvina, you answer. Alvina, yes.
Tomato.
Ayatul and Alvina, what are you doing? Both of you are attending the class. Be serious. Both of you. Yes, tell me, Alvina, what is the answer of question number 1?
Can I say?
No, Alvina will answer. Of 6C.
Yes, ma'am. Could you repeat the question?
Question number 1. It's from the passage La Tomatina. It was your homework yesterday. Have you done the homework? Be serious. Ananya Singh, mute yourself. Ananya Singh of class 6C. Have you done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you know a town in Spain holds a war of its dash annually. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, planets.
Huh?
Ma'am, planets. Ma'am, planets.
No. Next. See.
Tomato.
See.
Ma'am, tomato.
I am explaining the passage, students. No. Students, the passage is about the La Tomatina festival. Each August, the small Spanish town of Bunol hosts a most unusual festival, the largest war or battle of its kind on the planet. The weapons are ripe, juicy tomatoes that thousands of happy participants hurl at each other. So it is a festival that is taking place in which country? It takes place in which country, students? Use the chat box. It is a Spain. What is the answer? Spain. Now, what is the name of the festival? Yes, thank you, students. The name of the festival is La Tomatina, which began in 1944 as a simple tomato fight amongst locals in the town. it blossomed into an annual festival which is the world's largest food fight. On the morning of the festival, which takes place on the last Wednesday in August, shopkeepers prepare for the onslaught of tomatoes and put protective covers on the windows and doors. The participants hurl some 90,000 pounds of tomatoes at one another. There are some rules in the festival that tomatoes must be squashed in the hand before throwing. The town cannot meet the tomato needs of the day, and tomatoes are obtained from other parts of the country. Everyone joins in this game of the war of tomatoes, which lasts almost for an hour. It is then time for the cleanup of the participants and of town streets. The town magically returns to its former state within 2 hours. Amazing, isn't it? Now students, I have given this topic as homework, this passage as a homework. I will send the answer on the snap work, and we are running short of time. So write down the homework. The homework is to read the passage which I have discussed today. Read the unseen passage, Red Panda and Herald of Spring. Tomorrow we will discuss story writing. Thank you all of you. Thank you all of you.